Next.
Yeah, sure, Khotman.
Hi, this is Apex Wave Enterprises. We are now going to go through the process of the interview. How are you?
Eish, Khotman. Uring singab na pen.
Sorry. I don't follow. What are you saying?
Ay, yazi Khotman ngathi mina nawe soba nenkinga yangithola. Akekho umuntu yiyo okhuluma isiZulu. Phela English is not my mother tongue. Hi, Khotman.
Sorry, sir. Like, I don't understand. I'm getting lost now. Like, what's going on?
Ay Khotman, ngalobu ungibuza ukuthi what's going on. Angithi ngiyakutshela man ukuthi yazini angikhona ukuringa isigama. Ngiyakubuza ukuthi bava abantu abakhuluma isiZulu la. Ulibele ungitshela ukuthi hey awuzwa uzwani bantu wena. Lamazaza wana uboni.
No. That's not the tone. You sound ghetto. You sound really ghetto, and that's not the kind of professionals we're looking for. You know what? Don't call us. We'll call you. Okay?
Yazini amanjeke la Khotman. Amanjeke la ngizoqhubeka lapha ngenza amakoda lapha kamisi. Hayekela.
Next.